Hi my country people, hope I meet una well. E be like say Funke Akindele body don dey do am gizgi again after she don tell im ex-lover JJC Skillz say make the guy pack im load comot for her life just 2 months ago. Na so we see when the Mr. Loverboy JJC Skillz carry leaf wey love in Tokyo people dey call love flower give Madam Jennifer for the birthday wey she do 2 days ago. Funke Akindele, as some of us don hear, be the running mate to the governorship aspirant under People's Democratic Party umbrella for Lasgidi. All the political campaign up and down no even disturb am as she carry special dance throway for her official Instagram page. Jennifer tok say im dey take the dance thank God for keeping her till dis moment despite the fact say many water don pass under bridge. The 45-year-old actress and film producer show dat kind feeling wey all of una wey sabi book well well dey call ecstasy. Immediately JJC Skillz step forward come surprise her with dat bunch of love flower wey oyinbo dey call bouquet to appreciate am and greet the omogeto lady for her 45th birthday. JJC no end there o, e also posted the video for im official Instagram handle come commend Funke wella with the twin pikin wey dem born together.